Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to check your Ufone Super Card balance and minutes for 2025. If you're a Ufone user, you know how important it is to keep track of your minutes, data, and SMS to avoid any surprises on your bill. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can do this in under a minute. First, the most straightforward method is using a USSD code. Just grab your phone, ensure you're using your Ufone SIM, and dial *706#. Press the call button, and you'll instantly see your SuperCard balance details pop up on your screen. This includes your remaining minutes, SMS, and data allowance. It's super fast and works even without internet. If you prefer a more detailed view, download the official Ufone app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your Ufone number. Head over to the My Account or Balance section, and you'll get a full breakdown of your SuperCard usage. This is great for managing your plan on the go. Another handy option is via SMS. Simply send the word Super to 123, and Ufone will reply with your current balance details. It's perfect if you're low on data or just want a quick text update. Keep in mind that USSD codes or methods might change, so always double-check on the official Ufone website or app for the latest information. If you run into any issues, like an error message or network problems, try restarting your phone or contacting Ufone customer support through their helpline. There you have it. Checking your Ufone SuperCard balance is easier than ever. This will help you stay on top of your usage and make the most of your plan in 2025. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.